Okay, so my phone just stopped recording after 10 minutes, so that's why I'm just gonna keep going. So we were starting to decorate with the flowers, so let's see how this goes. So all the other pieces I glued on before is sticking. It's kind of cute already. You can see the head and the wings, and this is the body. So I want to make it to look like a fairy, so it's like wearing a very beautiful dress. So I'll just insert it here just to see what it looks like, how I'm positioning the flowers, if I like the combination of the flowers. Just putting it there. So I guess I'll just put some glue on, actually the white glue, because the glue gun is too thick. I need something, a thinner tip for the flowers. The stem are really small. So we just put a bit of white glue at the tip of the stem. And I'm gonna start at the bottom. As long as it touches the inside, it will stay. So just make sure the stem is not too long. So I want to do like alternating yellow and pink flower for the bottom, so that's why I'm leaving a lot of space in between. Just push it gently. We're building the dress for this fairy. Now I'm just gonna start with the pink flowers. Just want to fill in the space. So if you are picking flowers and you see some bugs, just don't be scared. If you're not trying to harm it, and just don't touch it, it won't harm you. But if you're really young, just do it with your parents. And today is really hot, so like hot and sunny, so it seems there's less insects than usual. It depends on the area. This one has a lot of leaves, so it's adding some green to the dress as well. A bit long, but I like the leaf, so I'm gonna just let it stay like that. If you look very closely, even the leaf here is very pretty. It has a pattern on it. So this is why the light and dark green. So this is why we should really appreciate nature. There's a lot of amazing things if you pay close attention to it. So that's the bottom one, bottom layer. And I'm just gonna keep doing it. Let me see how it should. So this is more of a white flower that I picked, but it also looks like it's from clovers. I hope I have enough flowers. Like this. Just keep going. Just building it layer by layer. It's almost like a cake. If you cook, or if your parents cook or bake, and you see them decorating a cake, it's almost like that too. So where's the yellow one for this? It just fell off. If you're making something, I really hope you send me some pictures so I can see what you've created. And I can post it on my Instagram as well. So I just found out today that my phone has a limit of 10 minutes for video. I always thought it was because of the memory before, but I guess not. So pretty. I think a lot of girls out there would like a dress that is made of flowers too, right? It's beautiful. Oops.